What's really happening with mortgage rates? Are you feeling a bit unsure about really what's going on with mortgage rates? It might be because you've heard someone say that they're coming down, but then you've read somewhere else that they're going back up again. And that may leave you scratching your head and wondering, what the hell is really true? The simplest answer is what you read or hear, it's going to vary based on the time that they're looking at. Here's some information that can help maybe clear up some confusion. Mortgage rates are volatile by nature. Mortgage rates don't move in a straight line. There are just too many factors at play for that to happen. Instead, rates bounce around because they're impacted by things like economic conditions, decisions from the Federal Reserve, and so much more. This means that they may be up one day, down the next, depending on what's going on in the economy and the world as a whole. Let's take a look at this graph. It uses data from the Mortgage News Daily to show the ebbs and flows in the 30-year fixed mortgage rate since last October. If you look at the graph, you're going to see a lot of peaks and valleys, some bigger than others. And when you use data like this to explain what's happening, the story can be different based on which 2 points of the graph you're comparing. For example, if you're only looking at the beginning of this month, you may think mortgage rates are on their way back up. But if you look at the latest data point and compare it to the peak in October, rates have trended down. So what's the right way to look at it? The big picture is mortgage rates are always going to bounce around. It's just how they work. Don't focus too much on the small daily changes. Instead, really try to understand the overall trend. Zoom out and take a look at the big picture. When you look at the highest point, which is October, compared to where rates are now, you can see that they've come down compared to last year. If you're looking to buy a home, this is big news. Don't let the little blips distract you. The experts agree overall that the larger downward trend should continue this year. The bottom line is this. Let's connect if you have any questions about what you're reading or hearing in the local housing market. So please like and subscribe below if you found this helpful. Let's connect today to find out really what's going on in our local market.